Alright, so got my sprocket off. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have my guard here. I'm gonna place a guard right in the middle of the chain where it has the most clearance. Then now I'm gonna get the sprocket back in. Hopefully it's enough here. Enough clearance, I mean. Man, this cover is killing me right now. It's on my way. It's like, can't get this in here. That right there. For some reason, this feels like it's more cramped than the CB300F. The 300F felt like it had more clearance. Okay, so I was able to get on the spline. All right, let's look at the front here. See what you guys see what I'm seeing. See right here. So it was kind of, this part right here is interfering, but also you see the tightness. The guard in the engine case, it's literally like that's like less than a millimeter right there. But obviously it's not bolted down yet, so you can't tell exactly where it is. But let's try to get a different angle here. I'm not sure if the camera's in my way or not. That's a hard thing about using recording to get a good camera angle. It's always kind of in the way, so it kind of messes with you. Okay, so it's in. Okay, so it's in. So it's good there. Now we put the plate back on. Yeah, it's tight, man. The space is tight. It's back on here. Oops, push it in a little bit too far there. So let's see. Oops, that doesn't line up. So this way the holes actually don't line up. So I actually have to turn it 180. That way, now the holes line up. So there is a proper in and out. Okay, let's see, where's my wrench? Where's my wrench? Oops, am I in gear? Yeah, I'm in gear. So I'm using my box wrench here. Okay, that's good. Let's get it out of gear. So you get the other bolt in place. And back into gear. I need to do this quick. It's starting to get sprinkle even more now. Okay, that's in place. Let's tighten this up. Okay, it's tight. Okay, so obviously the guard's not lined up, but when it is, okay, I'm pretty much lining up the guard right now, just by my hand, and looking at the space between the guard and the case up here. There's literally like maybe not even a millimeter. That's like less than a millimeter of clearance. It looks like just under a millimeter of clearance. Okay, so this is, so I got the kind of hard part. I'm not sure if this next part is going to be hard or not. So now I need to get this cover back in place. So remember, the cover has the two little plastic little pins that goes into this hole right here and this hole on top. So now I need to line those two up. Now, good thing is that this thing is not going to move too much, so I should be all right. Let's see, make sure everything's clear. I have all my cables and hoses out of the way. Let's see, I got the top. Okay, the top one's on. This bottom one here. Top one's on. This bottom one is right. Oh man, I'm right there. Jeez, I'm right there. I can feel it. So I think it has that mushroom head. Stupid camera's in my way. I need to move the camera over. bottom has that mushroom head. Well, the pin has the mushroom head, so it makes it a little bit more difficult to get this in here. I feel like I'm almost there. What I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna put the top bolt in place, but I'm not gonna tighten it down. I'm just gonna kind of keep it there so that way it doesn't flop around too much. So it's not tightened down. It's just gonna be enough for me to kind of swing this around a little bit. Right there's good. So that way, all I need to make sure is I just have to rotate this cover so that way it gets to where the pin is. I can feel it right there. I notice that stupid pin has the mushroom head. That's why it doesn't want to go in. I can feel it right there. Dang it! I wonder if I freaking bent it. So I'm gonna stick my finger back there and see if I will feel it. Oh, I feel something right there. There it goes. Okay, so I've got the 2 pins in there. I'm gonna put this bottom bolt in down here. So this actually turned out to be not too bad. I didn't have to do any I didn't have to grind I didn't have to grind what do we call it, the chain guard. So that was good. Tight down. Tighten that down. Okay, so I got these 2 hoses I want to stick back to where it was before. So this one's right here. The other one's right down in the same spot. These hoses actually could just go straight down, but they have it in that way. Usually you think these things just go straight down, but I'm just gonna put it back how it was. I'm not sure if Honda has it that way or the dealership, when the mechanic, when they did the recall, they put it that way. So I have no idea. I don't trust dealership mechanics. Never had a good experience with them. And it's not necessary that they're incompetent. It's possible that they're incompetent, but it's usually when you work at a dealership, there's always this rush for you to finish things fast. So that's usually the problem. It's that, they're rushing to do everything really fast. So when you rush, usually that's how you miss things and you make mistakes and stuff. Okay, so I'm checking all my hoses up here and down here and all the cables to make sure everything's proper. Well, I didn't pull anything loose. Remember, there is 2 electrical cables down here. One is for the kickstand and one is for the O2 sensor. So I don't think neither one of those moved. The O2 sensor is actually on 2 zip ties, so those didn't move. So I'm pretty sure the O2 sensor is okay. And I'm just kind of pushing down on the down here. I'm just kind of pushing down on the kickstand sensor here, or switch, so that way making sure that it's in its proper spot. And up here I want to make sure all the basically all the cables and stuff is where they should be. It looks like they are, as far as I can tell. Yeah, everything looks okay. All right, so that's putting in the front sprocket. So last thing I need to do is basically tighten up the chain here, and do a chain adjustment. So I'm actually going to do a separate video a chain adjustment video, so you guys can catch that. All right, that's it. So that's changing the front sprocket to a 15 tooth. Thanks for watching.